Hey guys, this is how to fix Volvo app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to the Google Play Store, and after that go for the search at the bottom and go for the top search bar and search for the Volvo app. And now when there is an update, you should be able to see here update and just simply tap on the app. And guys, another thing is just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now guys, another solution is just simply go to the settings into your device. And after that, just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And now just simply try to find the Volvo app over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and tap on it. And now just go for the storage and tap on clear cache and you should be able to fix it. But if you still have issues, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to fix the issue. Now, another solution, just simply go to the Google Play Store and just simply go for the app. And now just simply uninstall the application and tap on uninstall and just simply reinstall it back again by just simply tapping install. And from there, you should be able to fix it. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, guys, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya.